In this video, I'll show you how to use what and then an infinitive such as to do. It's important to remember that the word what can represent the thing. So it's not used for making a question in this case. Instead, it represents the thing. Here's the word what, and then the infinitive to, and then the simple form of a verb. What to do, what to get, what to eat, what to make, what to have. I know what to do. Here's the subject, this is the verb, and then all of this is functioning as an object or a direct object. What means the thing, and then here is an infinitive. It is possible to use other words here, other infinitives, what to get, what to have, take, eat. And over here, you can use other words that have something to do with thinking. I know. I remember. Consider. Forget. If I put this in the past tense, the sentence becomes, I forgot what to do. Understand, realize. What these words all have in common is there's some sort of a thought process, then followed by what to do. And of course, this subject can change as well. She, they, put a person's name there. If you want to make it negative, then put the helping verb here. I don't. This would be for the present. I don't know what to do. For the past tense, just change the helping verb to didn't. I didn't know what to do. I didn't remember what to do. I didn't consider what to do. I didn't forget what to do. I didn't understand what to do. I didn't realize what to do. This perhaps is not the best choice, but all of these other verbs will work.